Hi everyone, good afternoon. This is Prasan Shrestha, your English teacher. I'm great. What's up, my dear students? Today again we are together to study English language through our textbook. I hope you are pretty good. Thanking and delivering my millions of greatness towards the Mali municipality, especially educational faculty, and this awesome and voice of voiceless people, Radio Mali 107.6 MHz, for opening such a great opportunity to educate the innocent kids in such a crucial and pandemic situation. Let's begin today's lesson. My dear students, today we are going to discuss about reading session. Question number 5, which is in the page number 45 in your textbook. And I request to all guardians to be with their kids and support them to manage book, coffee, pen, etc. अर्थात् म अभिभावकज्यूहरूलाई पनि बाबु नानीहरूको किताब, कापी, कलमको बन्दोबस्त गरिदिनु हुन विनम्र अनुरोध गर्दछु र उनीहरूको ध्यानाकर्षण रेडियोतिर एकत्रित गरिदिनु हुन सहयोग गर्नुहुनेछ भन्ने कुराको आशा पनि राख्दछु. Well, dear my students, are you ready? Good. Then let's start. At first, look the picture very carefully. दिएको चित्र राम्रोसँग हेर है. And try to know what is it. यो के होला? Is it a hen? के यो hen हो, कुखुरा हो? No, it is not a hen. Good, it's not a hen, यो कुखुरा होइन. Okay, then is it a vulture? के त्यसो भए यो गिद्ध हो? No, very good, it is not a vulture. Then what is it? त्यसो भए के हो त यो? Can you tell me the answer? Very good, it is an ostrich. Once again, it is an ostrich. यो के हो त एउटा ostrich हो. What is the spelling of ostrich? Ostrich को spelling भन त. Good trying. O-S-T-R-I-C-H. Ostrich. Well, have you ever seen ostrich? के तिमीले कहिले ostrich देखेका छौ? Anywhere? कहीं पनि? If I talk about me, I have seen it once in a zoo. यदि मेरो कुरा गर्ने हो भने मैले यसलाई जूमा देखेको छु. My lovely students, don't be so upset if you have not seen. I wish one day you would see it. म आशा गर्दछु कि एक दिन तिमीले अवश्य देख्ने छौ. No matter if you have not seen it or if you have seen, then it's a great news for us. यदि तिमीले देखेको भए त झनै राम्रो भयो. Let's know more about ostriches. ठिकै छ, हामी ostrichको बारेमा धेरै कुराहरू जान्नु अब. At first, I will recite it. You must listen to me very carefully and try to move your fingers with my voice. म पढ्छु, तिमी औलाले देखाउँदै जाऊ है. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ostriches are the largest and strongest of living birds. Once again, फेरि पनि ostriches are the largest and strongest of living birds. They do not fly at all. They do not fly at all. They are generally found only in Africa. They are generally found only in Africa. They are about 8 feet tall. They are about 8 feet tall. They weigh up to 136 kilogram. They weigh up to 136 kilogram. They have long necks. They have long necks and small heads. And small heads. They also have large eyes. They also have large eyes and short broad beaks. And short broad beaks. Ostriches spread their small wings when running. Ostriches spread their small wings when running. They can run as fast as a horse. They can run as fast as a horse. They can run about 65 kilometers per hour. They can run about 65 kilometers per hour. They have long, powerful legs. They have long, powerful legs that are used for defense. That are used for defense. Their feet have only 2 toes. Their feet have only 2 toes. Male ostriches are black. Male ostriches are black. Ostriches usually eat plants. Ostriches usually eat plants. They sometimes eat small reptiles. They sometimes eat small reptiles. They mostly live in dry plains and deserts. They mostly live in dry plains and deserts. They often have to search for water. They often have to search for water. They can go for a long time. They can go for a long time without drinking. Without drinking, if they have enough green plants to eat. If they have enough green plants to eat. The females lay yellowish white eggs. The females lay yellowish white eggs. The eggs weigh about 1.4 kilogram. The eggs weigh about 1.4 kilogram. The eggs weigh about 1.4 kilogram. Well, my dear students, I hope you listened me very carefully. Now it is your turn, or now it's your time to read. Try to read these paragraphs. I will give you 2 minutes for reading. Enjoy the reading. Let's start. 1, 2, 3. Well, dear my students, let's be familiar with some difficult words. I mean to say, let's know meaning of some hard words. So, first of all, underline some hard words in your textbook with pencil. Meaning थाहा नभएको वर्ड्सलाई अन्डरलाइन गर है पेन्सिलले आफ्नो किताबमा. You must use your pencil to underline and underline those words which you don't know the meaning. ती वर्ड्सलाई अन्डरलाइन गर जसको मिनिङ थाहा छैन. I will give you a minute for it. यसका लागि म तिमीलाई 1 मिनेटको समय दिँदैछु. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. 1, 2, 3. I hope you have underlined them. I have also collected some words. Try to copy them and their meaning. मैले पनि केही वर्ड्स लिएको छु. म त्यसको मिनिङ भन्छु. सकेसम्म कपी गर्ने कोसिस गर. Okay, be ready. Try to copy them. Listen to me very carefully. The first word is LARGEST, largest. LARGEST, largest. सबैभन्दा ठुलो. लार्जेस्ट भनेको सबैभन्दा ठुलो. लार्ज ठुलो, लार्जर भन्दा ठुलो, लार्जेस्ट द्याट इज सबैभन्दा ठुलो है. सुपरलेटिभ फर्म अफ लार्ज. Another word, strongest. STRONGEST, strongest. यो वर्ड भेट्टायौ. स्ट्रङ्गेस्ट. स्ट्रङ्गेस्ट भनेको सबैभन्दा बलियो. स्ट्रङ, स्ट्रङ्गर, स्ट्रङ्गेस्ट. सबैभन्दा बलियो है. स्ट्रङ्गेस्ट भनेको चाहिँ सबैभन्दा बलियो. लार्जेस्ट भनेको सबैभन्दा ठुलो. अर्थात् लार्जेस्ट सबैभन्दा ठुलो, स्ट्रङ्गेस्ट सबैभन्दा बलियो. स्ट्रङ भनेको बलियो हो नि त हैन. Another word, GENERALLY, generally. भेटियो यो वर्ड generally. GENERALLY, generally. generally भनेको सामान्यतया. कमनली भनेको के सामान्यतया, सामान्य गरेर. And there you can find FT. FT मात्रै त्यहाँ भेट्यो. Good. FT, that means feet. FEET, feet. Feet को short form FT हो है. Now another word, WEIGH, weight. weight है. यो यसको मिनिङ तौल अथवा भार है. कति तौलको छ, वेट भनेको है यसको चाहिँ. Another, BROAD, broad. BROAD, broad. broad भनेको फराकिलो, चौडा. broad भनेको चौडा, फराकिलो. Another word, BEAKS, bigs. BEAKS, bigs. चुच्चाहरू. बिग्स भनेको चुच्चो. जस्तो चराहरूको चुच्चो हुन्छ हो, अस्ट्रिचको चुच्चो हुन्छ. द्याट्स कल्ड चुच्चो. बिग्स. Another word, SPREADS, spreads. SPREADS, spreads. spreads भनेको फैलाउँछ, फैलाउने हो. स्प्रिड फैलाउने, फैलाउँछ. यस्ता कुराहरू जुन चाहिँ फैलिएको हुन्छ त्यसलाई भन्नु पर्यो भने स्प्रिड्स भन्ने. Another word, WINGS, wings. WINGS, wings. wings भनेको पखेटाहरू. WINGS, wings. wings भनेको पखेटाहरू. Another word, powerful. POWERFUL, powerful. powerful भनेको strong है. powerful भनेको strong, बलियो. Another word, defense. DEFENSE, defense. defense भनेको रक्षा, सुरक्षा हो. आत्मरक्षा, सेल्फ डिफेन्स भन्छ नि, आत्मरक्षा है. द मिनिङ अफ डिफेन्स इज रक्षा, सुरक्षा, सेफ. Another word, mostly. MOSTLY, mostly. That's प्राय जसो. Another word, M-A-L-E, male. Male. Do you know the meaning of male? Male means keta jati, you know. In the context of our text, here male means bhale. Bhale jati. Keta jati, you know. Another, D-R-Y, dry. D-R-Y, dry. Dry means sukha. Dry भनेको सुक्खा. Another word, plains. P-L-A-I-N-S, plains. Plains भनेको समथर, समथल, बराबर भएको जमिन, तराई भाग जस्तै है. Now desert, D-E-S-E-R-T, desert. Desert भनेको मरुभूमि, सुक्खा भूमि, you know. Marubhumi, that is called in English desert. Another word, search. S-E-A-R-C-H, search. Search भनेको खोजी गर्नु, सर्च गर्नु भन्छ नि, खोजी गर्नु, खोज तलास गर्नु. For a long time. Here is a phrase, for a long time. यसको अर्थ के हो त? धेरै दिनसम्म, धेरै समयसम्म, धेरै लामो समयसम्म अथवा धेरै लामो दिनहरुसम्म, यसरी भन्न खोजेको है. Another here, again phrase, without drinking. Without drinking. Drinking means पिएर. Without drinking भनेको अब नपिइकन, नपिएरै, नपिएरै, नपिएरै. Another word, enough. Enough means प्रशस्त. Spelling E-N-O-U-G-H, enough. Enough भनेको प्रशस्त, धेरै मात्रामा. L-A-Y, ले. L-A-Y, ले. ले भनेको अन्धा पार्नु. अन्धा पार्नुलाई अंग्रेजीमा के भन्दो रहेछ नि त? ले भनेर भन्छन्. And the last one is female. Female is the opposite of male. Male केटा जाति, female केटी जाति. अर्थात in the context of our text, female mean here पोथी. Well, dear my students, it's time for your homework. र आजको होमवर्क तिमीहरूलाई म दिदैछु. Only 2 homeworks are here. I hope you enjoy your homework. The first homework is remember the meaning of words. यी मिनिङहरु, यी वर्डहरुको मिनिङ तिमीले सम्झाउनु पर्ने छ. जो वर्ड र तिनीहरुको मिनिङ मैले भने, you must remember them. I hope you have copied them. मैले विस्तारै भनेको छु, तिमीले कपी पनि गर्यौ होला. Otherwise, you can consult your dictionary and you can remember the words meaning too. जहाँसम्म लाग्छ आफ्नो घरमा डिक्सनरी छ भने डिक्सनरीमा हेर्ने र मिनिङहरु याद गर्ने कोसिस गर्ने. Another homework is draw a beautiful picture of ostrich using your textbook. तिम्रो किताबमा दिएको जुन ostrich को चित्र छ, you must draw it. यसलाई ड्रा गर्ने. कसले राम्रो पिक्चर बनाउँछ त ostrich को? Well, my dear students, on next day I will explain the paragraphs and I will present you some more facts about ostriches. अब अर्को दिन म तिमीहरूलाई यो प्याराग्राफहरुको एक्सप्लेनेसन गर्नेछु र ostrichहरुको फ्याक्ट्सलाई धेरै भन्दा धेरै पास गर्ने कोसिस गर्दछु. If your family has a smart mobile phone, then please try to watch it on your mobile phone also. अभिभावकज्यू, यदि हजुरको घरमा स्मार्ट मोबाइल फोन छ भने यसलाई हजुरले मोबाइलमै देखाउन पनि सक्नुहुन्छ, किनकि मैले यसलाई भिडियोमा पनि बनाएको छु जुन बढी राम्रो र आकर्षक हुनेछ। I hope you all enjoyed my class today. On next day we will again meet and rock our class. We will make more fun and get more knowledge about English language. At the end, before separating with you all, dear my lovely students, I would like to request you all to stay at your home with very carefully and adopting all measurements to be safe from this recent worst pandemic disease called COVID-19 Corona. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.